This is the new Platypod Handle. We designed it from the ground up to elevate your shooting experience.
Hi, I'm Hilmar Smith and I'm a creative portrait photographer. Today I'm going to show you how we'll use the Platypod Handle to take videos of my behind the scenes during my photo shoots, make reels, and document everything that happens when I'm at work. The other way that I will use it is when I'm out, I always like to bring something with me. I will bring this and I will show you how I will use it with a light on different heights, and I can put this pretty much everywhere because that's what Platypod is good for. The Platypod Handle is another great addition that I will always have in my camera bag.
Currently I'm in New Zealand and I'm shooting a product review of the new DJI Mavic 3. This new product is perfect for vlogging. It's easy to pick up, hold on to, and put down anywhere you want. Having the new Platypod Handle makes my life easy.
Platypod Handle is perfect for vloggers. You can mount accessories, hook it up to your tripods, and easily carry it anywhere and everywhere.
What I love about this is the way it looks, the way it feels in the hand. For a lot of my macro work, I like to use the handle because I can actually attach goosenecks, put lights on the ends of the gooseneck and have the light in perfect position when I'm doing macro work. And you can really position them and set them up exactly the way you want to give the kind of light effect that you're looking for. You know, there's a ton of things you can do with a product like this, just the fact that it's so small and convenient.
I've only had it for a short time and it's already sparking some new creative ideas. The Platypod Handle now allows me to hold these larger figures up off the ground for more dynamic poses. So with the handle and the gooseneck coming out of it and the mini clamp, I was able to hold up the figure up above the ground, put them in a jetpack flying pose, take a couple shots, and it worked out so great. It's going to be really cool. I can't wait to see what new things I can do with it.
The handle is so versatile and works with all current Platypod products. You can use it to gain extra leverage when mounting your setup to trees or other hard-to-reach places.
My favorite feature is definitely all of the hard points on the top. 8 tripod screws. It's so flexible and creative. I can do crazy things with it, very complex setups, but otherwise it would be nearly impossible to have everything configured the way that you see it here.
The ergonomics of that handle, the girthiness, the easy access. I can extend it up to 10 inches, retract it. I can do multiple things with a straight little tool. It's been added to my tripod, it's been added to the Platypod. It's just one of those great tools that works so well with all my other tools.
When it comes to working in the snow, you no longer need to worry about getting your camera buried. The adjustable height will allow you to quickly set up, get your action shots, and avoid the mess.
I've created the Platypod Handle for you, the vlogger, the macro, food, and product photographer, the content creator who understands a versatile quality tool. From time-lapse to tethered shooting, tabletop to tinkering, the Platypod Handle is for you. Join the Platypod family, along with thousands of artists like you who wish to create. Thank you.